In this tutorial, we will walk through viewing and assigning your auxiliary switch inputs to functions related to your configuration. This will apply to both planting and application configuration types. It is important to know how these are assigned and how they can be changed, so as an operator, you know what sections, rows, or nozzles are tied to which switch on your switch box. Starting on the home screen of the InCommand Go display, tap Setup. Select the configuration you'd like to view or edit the switches for. Then tap the wrench. On the left, tap Auxiliary Input. The table will show your switch inputs on the left side and the functions, which in this case are nozzles, that are assigned to that switch input on the right. By default, on a right spot configuration, it will divide them as evenly as possible and put the remaining nozzles on the last switch. For this example, we are going to divide them equally to have 2 nozzles assigned to each switch. Tap Assign in the upper right to adjust the assignments. On the top half, we have the available switch inputs, and on the bottom, we have the function of our configuration, which in this case, each nozzle. Tapping a switch on the top will highlight it in green. If there is no yellow X on the switch, it indicates that there is a function or functions assigned to that switch. For a full glossary on the icons in this screen, tap the Help button at the top. The functions assigned to the selected switch will highlight green down below. We will tap to add a second nozzle to switch 5. Functions can only be assigned to one switch at a time. We'll then tap switch 6 and tap nozzle 11 and 12. Once you have the switches assigned how you would like, tap the green check. You can then see your updated switch assignments in the table. If you have a remote master switch or a foot pedal attached to your switch box, you'll need to change the master source dropdown to the appropriate external source. Switch assignments can always be reset back to the default by tapping the Reset All button in the bottom right. Tap the green check to save these switch assignments. Now you will be able to view and edit your auxiliary input switch assignments for your planting or application configuration on your InCommand Go display. For more information on the setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.